hard to get an off week. But I'm bringing you greetings from my batchmates. They want to send you their love. So our class reunion just happened in May of this year. And because we have this, my classmates who are here didn't come, but we have t-shirts for everybody who didn't come. So we brought the memorabilia and the t-shirts to give out to those who didn't come. So whenever we're traveling, we're bringing the stuff they did miss. So this is a picture of the class officers. Do you find me there? I was the associate secretary, so it's there in the program. Dr. Amerlin Enriquez is the president. Beth Barona here, she was the chairman of the program. She's a pastor's wife. So she has other commitments scheduled this afternoon, so she had to leave right after the service. So this is our group. I don't know, these are popular faces. I don't want to mention names, but it's there in the program. Okay, here they are, the graduating officers. By their last names, you will recognize them. They have parents in Pasay City Academy, and also parents in Pasay English Church and Nueva Santario. So these are familiar last names. If you look at the last names, we lost a classmate. If you were reading the Englisher, I wrote a tribute to Jennifer Ecoste. We lost her in July. So during our reunion, when we have a reunion in Manila, we make sure we spend one day in Pasay Academy. So when we had a reunion in 2009, we also conducted the home service of Pasay City Academy. We were there holding the service. But if we have a reunion somewhere else, we're not there. As much as possible, we want to be a part of the academy when we're holding our reunion. So this is one of the Bible study groups in the lesson study during the program of the Sabbath School. And then during that time, they honored our class to give us a plaque of recognition, a certificate of donation, because we raised next slide. And there's Dr. Amerlin Enriquez. He was the speaker of the hour of worship. And our class treasurer is Leonardo Sumalde. He was the one who received the certificate of donation from the treasurer and the principal of the academy. Alright, this is the recognition of the class who will be able to attend. There were more, but it was Saturday. We had so many commitments, so these were the only people who were able to attend the service. Alright, these are our donation. Right now it's being used, the computers. It was added to in the library. But we also donated 8 units of smart TVs for the classroom, for use in the classroom. They're ordering it just last week because they have to construct the encasement for each classroom where they're going to put it up. They don't want to order it and bring that and order it and deliver it and there's no encasement yet. They have to make sure that everything is in there. Because Renato Sumalde is the one taking charge of that. So they just want to make sure that everything is ready and secure, that when the TVs get there, it's ready to be in place. So I think it's still in the process of putting it out. So during our reunion, we had on a Sunday, we rented a house. We're so fortunate that our classmates, when we give them assignments, they really go out of their way to do this. And we didn't charge anybody anything. We were wondering, how much are we going to pay for contributions? It's all donation. To the point that everything was covered. Because everybody chipped in, whether food, transportation, or displays. So everybody really chipped in. So we had a lot of food, and they catered for us who came from America. So they served here, they served it there. So it really felt so loved. And then in the house that we rented, there was a place for swimming. So some swam, some just chit-chat. There was like a game room. People were living there. And our batch really loves to sing. When we had a school choir, most of the choir members are from our batch. So we're always love to sing. So we ended up doing karaoke. And we stayed up all night after we didn't sleep. We stayed up all night and then said, oh, it's morning already. So we stayed up singing our favorite songs, Tagalog songs, English songs, everybody. So we ended up talking and updating ourselves and stuff like that. And this is our class picture by the stairwell, and this is what we had on our class shirts. Yeah, somebody donated our class shirts. So we have class shirts for everybody, even for those who didn't attend. So thank you so much for this time and for